the range. This is my new Smith & Wesson 460 Magnum. I'm just going to fire a couple of rounds through it. First I'm going to fire the 45 long Colt, just to see what this bad boy handles like.
So close. Yeah. Now, did you use your sights at all on the close ones, or you just pointed the gun?
I just pointed the gun, I believe.
Yeah, but you have to understand.
I did my normal routine with them, to be honest.
That's where natural instinct takes over. Remember it? That's what they refer to as attack psyche.
Well, I didn't to do that.
Well, it can be good and bad.
I don't use the sight to shoot by feel.
If you miss, okay, face down range, low, make ready.
Pussycat. So that's the 45 long Colt. Now we'll go for the slightly larger 454 K-Soul.
Still reach my waist anyway.
Like that.
You should make a nice flame.
Okay, hands to the knee.
You got it.
Get the shooter ready.
Whoa!
Holy shit. Stand by.
Shoot the target down.
You want to do it now?
I've never seen that. What do you do?
Wow.
I love it.
Bit of a flame of that, figure.
It didn't hit the metal, it hit the target. Just got
I didn't hit
I hear somebody say, what the hell over there? Okay. I'm going to go for the big, the 300 grain 460 Magnum.
Because I saw it break off.
And I got to be honest, I am a little bit nervous.
I don't think the thing was swing so much. I've hit it.
Here, John, will you take that and I'll try to shoot you again. We'll have the next person come in, then you'll shoot it again.
Pull down.
I want to see that target, because I disagree. I don't think I hit the metal.
We'll bring it.
You can tell by the target.
We'll get it after.
You can't tell. You can't tell.
Well, yeah, the hole in the target was supposed to be. I didn't hit the metal.
That could be splattered.
What the hell is that?
44 probably or so.
Awesome.
Sounds like it would hurt.
What?
So there we are, 460 Magnum.
Oh, I saw it.
Put it out.